How to turn on or off location service in Badoo. First, open the Badoo app and make sure you are logged in. Tap on Discover or Encounter. You will see the filters. Tap on it. Now toggle the location switch or online now option to turn it on or off. If it's on, Badoo can show people nearby. If it's off, your location won't be shared. Adjust device permission. If you want extra control, go to your phone settings, tap app, go to Badoo. You will see their permission, tap it. You will see their location option. You can enable or disable location access. Confirm the changes. Once you have toggled it, Badoo will follow your choice. You can now change it later if you want. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.